One of the most common problems I come across when helping clients go through their financial paperwork is keeping items because they're unsure of when it's time to let documents go. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. If you are a return visitor, welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years, and I'm here today to help you organise your financial paperwork. Here are some of the ways I keep track of my personal financial paperwork and help others keep theirs under control. I recommend filing bills based on the date instead of by category. Sorting by date allows me to keep what's current in front of me and see all of my bills at a glance instead of having to correlate different bills from different files. Setting up a system to regularly purge files saves you that moment of wondering, do I keep this? Is it time to let this go? By establishing rules in advance, you don't have to keep making decisions over and over. Decide how long to keep bills and statements, check out our retention guidelines, and use a rotating filing system based on date. If you want to keep bills for a year, you can have 12 folders, one for each month. By the time you're through December, you can empty the last January's folder and use it again. Items that aren't dated also need to be purged regularly. You can purge weekly, monthly, or quarterly, whatever frequency works for you. When you purge, try to identify whether you're saving a document as a memory versus saving paperwork you need to be able to refer to. Keepsake or memory documents should go in their own folder or be preserved digitally. Always keep tax-related documents together to access them easily at tax time. There are few things more frustrating than scrambling to find your W-2 before the due date. And after you file your taxes, you can archive the paperwork somewhere that doesn't have to be within easy reach. Staying on top of paperwork throughout the year, and indeed on a daily or weekly basis, makes it much more manageable. Anecdotal estimates suggest that paperwork we deal with in a month is the equivalent to the paperwork that our parents dealt with in a year and that our grandparents dealt with in their lifetimes. So keep at it, do what you can to reduce the amount of paperwork that even enters your household, and create great habits that help you stay on top of it all. Organise to Excel. Practical solutions for everyday issues. Subscribe, like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and visit our website www.organisetoexcel.com.